everybody, it's Kevin here on the leader booth at IBC 2025, and I'm here with the fabrics QxL and QxP in their SDI configuration. And these tools are used not only within the broadcast facility for unrivaled SDI test and measurement analysis, but they're also used by broadcast manufacturers. They are used to test the products that you are using in your facility. And one of the key features that these products have is a product called SDI Stress. And SDI Stress allows a manufacturer to test their product above and beyond the SMPTE standards. So this ensures that the products they deliver to you will meet your most demanding applications. So the manufacturers of the equipment that you spend hours analysing and debating over whether you should purchase, they're all using Leader and Fabrics products. So doesn't it make sense that you should be using them too in your facility? QxL, rasterizer, and the QxP with the ability to go portable. So if you want to learn more about the products that the broadcast equipment manufacturers are using to design, test and service their broadcast products, Fabrics QxL, Fabrics QxP, visit our website at www.leaderfabrics.com.